Good evening, Hot Rod fans. Eric Meyer, Blue Collar Muscle Rods and Custom. Been about 2 months now that we've been in the shop working, and I wanted to give you another tour to show you where we're at. Main customer entrance. As I mentioned before, there's going to be a cool car parked here. Right now, this is my race car. Hopefully, in the future, we'll have a customer's car parked here. Got an old 50s Coke machine that takes a dime or 2 nickels. Shot of our brake area. The place is a mess. We've been working. That's okay. Still unpacking some equipment. This is the assembly side of the shop. We've got a few cars in here right now. We're doing an engine swap in the Dart. That blue Chevelle up on the rack. We're doing a wiring change in that. This Monte Carlo's getting a LS swap. That Dodge Polar's got ignition issues, and we're going to make sure that that's a reliable car for the owner. Mustang has ignition issues also. It quits on the driver. The Impala's getting a new drive shaft with new window regulators. Corvette, we're doing wheels and tires on that. Maybe a set of Torque Thrust 2s. Tires on it right now. We're just using it as a setup piece. This room over here is our kind of our storage area for some cool stuff. Walk over to the fabrication side of the shop. Got a 2-post lift on this side. This Mustang, we're doing an exhaust and a disc brake upgrade. This area in front of the Mustang is kind of becoming our little bit of our fab area. We've got a brake and we've got a welder over here, or vise. Finally got our new air compressor in. There it is. That's 120 gallon, 10 horse. Got an air silencer on it, so it's really nice. Another shot of that Mustang. The Demon's been sitting for about 10 years, so we're going to get it fired up for the owner, do an interior upgrade. This Pontiac's in for paint and new wheels and tires, disc brakes. 34 Ford Street Rod is in here to be finished. Currently doesn't run, it needs wiring, fuel system. Back in there is a 76 Cutlass that we're doing a complete repaint on. Original owner. This is a twin turbo Mustang, and we're doing a repaint on it. Had a rotisserie repaint on the underside of that. There's our paint room. Hope you like the shop, and if you're looking to have your car worked on, look up Blue Collar Muscle Rods and Custom. We're anxious to have your business, and we'll do a good job for you. Good evening.